Welcome to United Motor. Today, we have something truly special, the 2026 Ferrari 550. This new masterpiece from Ferrari continues the brand's legacy of speed, luxury, and innovation. The 550 name revives a classic, but this new model is a modern marvel designed for the future. Starting with the design, Ferrari has sculpted the 2026 550 with a sleek aerodynamic profile, aggressive front fascia, and signature LED headlights. The sculpted body not only enhances its beauty but also improves performance by reducing drag and increasing downforce. The wide stance and bold lines make it unmistakably Ferrari. Under the hood, the 2026 Ferrari 550 is powered by a hybrid V12 engine, delivering breathtaking performance. With over 900 horsepower, it can go from 0 to 100 km per hour in just 2.5 seconds. The advanced hybrid system ensures maximum power while maintaining Ferrari's signature engine roar. The top speed exceeds 350 km per hour, making it one of the fastest road-legal Ferraris ever built. Inside the cabin, Ferrari has combined luxury with cutting-edge technology. The driver-focused cockpit features a fully digital instrument cluster, a massive infotainment screen, and high-quality leather and carbon fiber finishes. The redesigned steering wheel integrates all essential controls, giving the driver full command without distraction. The 2026 Ferrari 550 also comes equipped with state-of-the-art driving assistance systems, ensuring both safety and performance. Adaptive suspension, advanced aerodynamics, and intelligent traction control make this car a dream to drive on both the road and the track. This is the 2026 Ferrari 550, a perfect blend of heritage, innovation, and extreme performance. Let me know in the comments what you think about this new Ferrari. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to United Motor for more exciting car content.